a step-by-step guide on how to fix a running toilet. If your toilet is making a loud, gurgling sound even when you haven't recently flushed it, odds are your toilet is running. Luckily, there are a few quick fixes to fixing a running toilet. If you're not afraid to stick your hands in your toilet tank, don't worry, the water is clean in there, but it doesn't hurt to clean the tank once in a while. What causes a toilet to run? Important toilet parts. If your toilet is running, there's a chance the water level in the toilet could be too high. How much water does a running toilet waste? How to fix a running toilet by replacing the fill valve. Put a bowl under the valve to catch any leaks. Remember to remove the filter from the shop vac before using it. How to fix a running toilet by replacing the flapper. To figure out if the flapper is the problem, see if the water intermittently runs but is not flowing into the overflow tube. Shut off the water supply valve that's located on the wall behind the toilet by turning the knob clockwise. How to fix a running toilet by shortening the refill tube. Tips and hacks for difficult cases.